Everybody is looking for the next superfood, and bitter gourd just might be it. Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon, is more than just a funky-looking vegetable. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamin C and A, folate and potassium, this veggie isn't messing around. Next up, blood sugar control. Studies show bitter gourd can help lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. A real game changer for diabetes management. Boost your immunity with bitter gourd. Its antioxidants strengthen your immune system, keeping those pesky colds at bay. Want glowing skin and sharp vision? Vitamin A in bitter gourd promotes healthy skin and benefits your eyes. And here's a biggie: cancer prevention. Bitter gourd's phytochemicals might help in the fight against cancer. Yep, you heard that right. But wait, there's more. It aids digestion, relieves asthma, and offers diverse health benefits beyond blood sugar control. So what are you waiting for? Add bitter gourd to your diet for a healthier you. Hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips.